This is Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, and these are its agents of change. Tribal kids from extremely poor areas of Orissa. Education was once a distant dream till they came here. This is where they are empowered to chase their dreams. From its humble beginnings in 1993 with just 125 kids, today Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences is home to 25,000 tribal kids. The aim is to eradicate poverty through education, to transform the tribal mindset through these first-generation learners.
Education is the single most powerful tool to change the world, and we are at a place that's setting an example by doing just that. Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences is a fully free residential holistic education institute for tribal kids. Today, a representative for United Nations is here to see how they're educating kids and shaping their lives.
Every morning, thousands of children collect in this assembly hall. The institute makes an added effort to admit more and more girls. And this morning, they are all here to listen to what United Nations Women Deputy Executive Director Lakshmi Puri has to say.
जो आप बड़ी होके बनेगी, जो अपने आप में सशक्त हैं। As I said, the what, how and why of it is so inspiring, and for the United Nations too, it's a wonderful example of social action and for social justice, but which will also lead to the greater good of everyone.
The curriculum is quite unique, for it incorporates vocational training with formal education, so that a child grows up educated as well as self-sufficient. This kind of training also helps children stay close to their own culture. The model of holistic education lays special stress on sports. Be it rugby, soccer or kho-kho, many students from here have made to national teams. If it wasn't for Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, Ranjit Naik would have been using his archery skills somewhere in the forests of Orissa. He is now training hard many hours a day and dreams of Olympic glory. Sanjukta Tirke is the best goalkeeper this institute has. Her agility and quickness has won her a place in probable India Under-19 team for the Under-19 AFC Championship to be held in Vietnam this year. Quite a journey for this tribal girl whose family has never stepped out of the district of Sundargarh. क्या सपना है आर्चरी को लेके आपका? आगे क्या करना चाहते हो?
आगे तो मेरा लक्ष्य है अभी 2020 ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल लेके आऊँगा मैं।
जब आप एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेलने जाते हो तो आपको और भी देशों के बच्चे मिलते होंगे वहाँ पे जो आते हैं खेलने, क्योंकि आप एक अलग तबके से आते हैं, थोड़े पिछड़े तबके से आते हैं। कैसा अनुभव रहता है जब आप बच्चों के साथ मिंगल करते हो बाहर?
पहले तो हम लोग को उन लोग को देख के डर लगता है। पहले देखते हैं उन लोग हम लोग से अच्छा खेलते होंगे, फिर जब हम लोग उन लोग से मिल जाते हैं तो उन लोग फ्रेंड्स हो जाते हैं। फिर उन लोग भी हम लोग का इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में पूछते हैं, हम लोग बताते हैं, फिर दोनों फ्रेंड की तरह ही रहते हैं। जब मैच होता है तो अलग अलग हो जाते हैं, बाकी टाइम में सब फ्रेंडशिप हो जाता है।
इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में सबको पता रहता है, फिर भी हम लोग का मुंह से जब सुनते हैं तो और भी फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ करने लगते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को आप लोग यूज करो और ऊपर बढ़ते रहो।
But the sport that stands above the rest as the clear favorite is rugby. These students practice for hours at stretch, trying to get the technique and speed right. Their modest backgrounds propel them to work hard and give their best. They want to repeat the glory of 2007 when Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences boys team won the Under-14 Rugby World Cup. It's lunchtime now. Preparation of food for 25,000 kids is no mean task. The kitchen here is fully mechanized, cooking up 50,000 meals a day. Meals are then served in shifts to students by those on serving duty for that day. For these children, it's a home away from home, a place that is opening to them a whole new world of opportunities.
इसके बारे में ये अच्छा लगा कि हमारे जैसे गरीब बच्चों को यहाँ ला के पढ़ाई और खाने पीने की सब सुविधा देते हैं यहाँ पे, और जिसके लिए हम मतलब घर में ये सब सुविधा नहीं मिलता, पर यहाँ पे हमको वही चीज़ मिल रहा है जो हमें मिलना चाहिए।
इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा एजुकेशन के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है, और यहाँ पे सभी ट्राइबल बच्चे लोग हैं और कभी भेदभाव कम है।
In my summer vacation, when I go to the village, I conduct some village awareness program and talk about the KISS, how there is going on everything, and how means poor children like me get facility here, is given facility to us for means to fulfill our dream and goals like.
It is a passion. I lost my father at the age of 4, and we all 7 brothers and sisters were brought up with the help of our widow mother. With so much difficulty one cannot imagine. We all were not getting even 1 square meal in 2 days. So we had experienced that much of poverty, and God is very kind to all of us. We are all educated. So it is my passion to eradicate poverty through education. With that passion, we had started this Kalinga Institute of Social Science KISS. If one is educated with quality education, then he or she will not suffer the sufferings the way they and their parents have suffered. So it is a permanent solution.
जब से मैं किस में पढ़ाई किया तो मेरे को बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला ऊपर जाने के लिए। तो समंता सर ने हम लोग को इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला कि जैसे कि हम लोग जहाँ भी जा रहा है कि तो हम लोग जीत कर के आ रहा है। मेरा सपना है कि मैं भी एक बीपीएड करूँगा, फिजिकल टीचर करूँगा, जो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाई करके एक फिजिकल टीचर बनूँगा। इसके बाद जो मेरा से छोटा भैया है, जो सब खेल है, रग्बी, एथलेट, खो खो, कबड्डी, मेरे को तो सबके माता है मान, तो मैं इसको सिखाऊंगा कि इसको रास्ता दिखाएंगे कैसे आगे जाना है।
So it is the question of entire holistic education we are taking care of in entire KISS, by which it is totally different or unique.